Sometimes it's not what you know, but who you know. And I know someone that drives a skip lorry. They were collecting a skip and found this old record number 84 vice in it. They asked if they could have it, said yes, and brought it for me. It's a quick release vice and it all seems to be working okay. It has seen better days though. It's very rusty. There's lots of world splatter on the top. It's got some nice big 4.5-inch jaws on it, and I think it's going to be great. It just needs a bit of TLC. I think the first job, it does not need this towing ball cover. To do the best job I can of cleaning this up, I think the first thing I'm going to do is get this stripped down to its component parts. That all came apart pretty easily, so I've got piles of bits now. It all looks in fantastic condition apart from being a bit mucky. I can't believe someone threw it away. But there is a lot of dirt on this, so I'm going to take it outside and give it a good wash down with some hot and soapy water. Whilst I wait for that to all dry, I can get set up for the next stage, which is cleaning it all up using a wire wheel. I'm going to start with all the smaller bits because I can do those on the bench grinder. These smaller bits are cleaned up great, and it's actually not too dusty in here because for the first time I've actually hooked up the dust extractor to the back of the grinder and it's really kept it nice and clean in here. That's why I don't want to do the bigger bits in here. I'm going to take them outside and use the angle grinder on them. That's the rust removed, but we still have that bit of weld splatter. So I'm going to swap out my wire wheel to a flap disc and take that off. These larger bits now need painting. So first I'm going to mask up the bits I don't want paint to go on. Record vices would traditionally be a kind of lightish blue, but I have some cobalt blue paint in stock, so I'm going to get it painted with that. This paint has had overnight to dry, so now we can get the tape off, start greasing bits up and getting it all put back together. That's it all back together, and it winds out, it winds in, and the quick release works. So I think we are done. Well, not quite. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to pick out the lettering in the casting because I've done that with my woodworking record vise. So I'm going to get some red paint and just touch that up. I think that paint has finished it off nicely. I can't believe someone just threw this away. I'm very pleased I ended up with it. So now I've just got to think what I'm going to do with it. Am I going to mount it on a block so it can go in the woodworking vise like I have with my smaller vise, or am I going to mount it permanently to a bench somewhere? I think I'll live with it for a while and think about it. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.